Hi guys, welcome to topic 14. Now I took you on a little bit of a field trip today because topic 14 is going to shift what we're learning about. In topic 13 we learned all about perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. So to find the perimeter you have to add up all the sides. Today we are going to start working on what is called area. Area is the amount of space inside of a shape. So I wanted to bring you into our shower here that Mr. Abel and I tiled. I think last year we finished up because I want to show you the difference between perimeter and area. So if you notice behind me, we have all these square tiles, and I bet you lots of your showers look like this. Instead of measuring the distance around, in order to figure out how many tiles we need in the middle, we have to figure out what is called area. And in order to do that, you have to measure the length, which is the top or the bottom, and the width, which is the left or the right. And then to figure out how much space you have inside of that shape, you multiply the length times the width. So I wanted to show you this because, sorry, it's a little bit jiggly, because if you look, the tile does stop and then it goes down to where the tub is. And so we had to figure out how many tiles we needed to buy and not run out, because once you have your mortar on there, you don't want to run out or it'll dry. So in order to do that, like I said, we had to figure out the length times the width to figure out the area inside our shower. Now I'm bringing you down to our kitchen where we had to figure out a different area. Now here is the backsplash behind our oven. Sorry about that, it's a little jiggly again. And once again, in order to figure out how much tile we needed, we had to figure out the area. So we had to measure. Now this one here was a little bit harder. One, because they're not perfect square tiles, and also because this is an irregular shape. If you look, it's not a square or a rectangle. It is actually an octagon, and so we had to do a little bit more measuring. Now we do need to put some trim pieces in a couple spots because it didn't fit completely. But once again, in order to find the area, how much you need inside a shape, you have to figure out the length times the width. So, welcome to topic 14. Thank you for coming around to my house and looking at different items. Well, your job now is to find a spot in your house where maybe a builder or your mom and dad had to figure out the area inside of a shape. Another one is even like our flooring on the floor. See how they are squares. That we had to find out the area also. So, see if you can find a place in your house that you guys had to figure out the area, and then we will learn all about it.